Buying a 3D printer for jewelry can feel confusing. There are so many options, specs, and features that it's hard to tell what actually matters. And when you're working with tiny details like custom rings or intricate pendants, the wrong machine can mess up your designs or waste your time and money. That's why we've put together this list of the 6 best 3D printers for jewelry, all available on Amazon. Whether you're just starting your jewelry business or upgrading to something more reliable, these picks cover different needs, from build size and print speed, sharp detail, and budget. And stick around because number 1 might surprise you. It's compact, but the detail it can produce is next level. All the links and updated prices are down below in the description. Kicking off the list at number 6 is the Dremel Digilab 3D4501. A reliable FDM printer that's great for both beginners and professionals who want something stable and flexible. It has a roomy build volume of 10 by 6 by 6.7 inches, which gives you plenty of space for early-stage designs or small production batches. The all-metal hot end can reach up to 280 degrees Celsius, which means you can use tougher filaments like nylon and ECOA BS. A huge plus if you're creating structural jewelry forms or custom molds. The heated bed and fully enclosed design help keep prints from warping, especially when you're working with flexible or specialty materials. It also features a 4.5-inch touchscreen and semi-automatic bed leveling, which takes a lot of the guesswork out of setup, especially if it's your first printer. One of the standout perks is the built-in camera and Wi-Fi connectivity, letting you keep an eye on your prints from anywhere. Helpful if you're juggling other tasks. It's great with a wide range of materials and built to last, with a smooth user interface that doesn't overwhelm you. On the flip side, it's not ideal for super fine detail work like you get with resin printers, and it does take up more space on your desk. Still, if you're a jewelry maker looking to prototype or create strong molds with more rugged materials, this printer is a dependable choice, a workhorse that balances performance and usability. But if you're looking for something more detailed and compact, number 5 might be right up your alley. At number 5, we've got the Creality Halot 14K Plus, a resin printer that strikes a great balance between detail and affordability. This one's especially appealing if you're making jewelry pieces that need sharp lines and a smooth surface finish. With a 4K resolution of 4320 by 2560 pixels, it can capture tiny features like engravings on rings or the subtle textures on charms. The print speed tops out around 60 millimeters per hour, which is solid for resin printers, fast enough to handle small batch production without long waits. Its integral 405 nanometer light source ensures even exposure across the build plate, which helps eliminate edge blur or detail loss. You'll also find a 5-inch HD touchscreen that's easy to use, plus Wi-Fi control for remote print management through the Creality app. And for those working in tight spaces, the built-in air filtration system is a welcome feature that helps cut down on the smell from resin. It's compact, quiet, and offers excellent print quality for its price. On the downside, the build volume is smaller compared to some others on this list, and the user interface can sometimes feel a bit clunky to navigate. But if you're a home-based jeweler or Etsy seller focused on finely detailed items, this printer delivers where it matters. A sharp resin printer that fits well in both your budget and your workspace. But what if you want a slightly larger build space with just as much accuracy? That's where number 4 shines. Coming in at number 4 is the Anycubic Photon Mono X2. A solid mid-range resin printer that gives you more space and consistent print quality, making it a great choice if you're ready to scale up your jewelry production. It features a 9.1-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560, giving you crisp, clean detail while also curing layers faster and using less power. The build volume measures 7.87 by 7.71 by 4.8 inches, which means you can produce sets of earrings or multiple rings in one go, or work on slightly larger custom pieces without needing to print in parts. Its matrix light source spreads light evenly across the build area, so you get consistent results from corner to corner. The dual linear rails on the Z-axis keep the print stable and reduce the chance of shifting layers, which is key when you're working with fine details. There's also a protective anti-scratch film over the LCD, which helps prevent damage from resin spills or tools during cleanup. On the plus side, you're getting a nicely balanced printer that delivers sharp results and pairs well with beginner-friendly slicing software. Downsides, there's no Wi-Fi support and the build plate can take a bit of adjusting when you're setting it up for the first time. But overall, if you run a small jewelry business and need something that can handle more volume while keeping your prints clean and precise, this is a great step up. Big enough for bulk, precise enough for jewelry, a great step up. Next up, we're going big, literally, with a machine made for serious production. At number 3 is the Phrozen Sonic Mega 8KS, a powerhouse printer made for professionals who need both ultra-fine detail and serious production capacity. This machine comes with a massive 15-inch 8K monochrome LCD, offering a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. That kind of clarity means you can capture the tiniest details even on larger pieces, making it ideal for bold statement jewelry or complex multi-part designs. With a huge build volume of 13 by 7.3 by 11.8 inches, you can print full batches of rings, pendants, or even large master molds in one go. The linear LED light source, combined with dual Z-axis rails, ensures that each layer comes out smooth and even across the entire platform. Consistency you can rely on for client work. The frosted laser cut plate helps your prints stick properly, cutting down on failed attempts, especially for taller or more delicate items. It's also built with a solid vibration-reducing chassis, which helps maintain sharp layers from bottom to top. The big wins here are scale and precision, giving you pro-level results right out of the box. But it's not for everyone. It's bulky, heavy, and better suited for experienced users who already have a dedicated workspace. If you're running a high-volume custom jewelry shop or stepping into casting with larger molds, this machine is a strong investment. If you're scaling up production, this is your next move. But if you want premium detail in a more compact and modern package, number 2 might be a better fit. In the number 2 spot is the Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra, a serious upgrade for anyone who's obsessed with capturing every last detail. This printer features a 12K monochrome LCD screen with an eye-popping resolution of 11520 by 5120 pixels. That level of clarity reveals textures and micro-patterns that other machines just can't catch, making it perfect for intricate jewelry like filigree designs or engraved pendants. What's more, it prints fast, up to 150mm per hour, which is rare when you're dealing with this kind of detail. It uses a COB light source paired with a Fresnel collimation lens to spread light evenly and sharply across the build plate, so every layer is accurate from edge to edge. It also comes with some modern extras like an onboard AI camera that helps detect print issues early, plus a built-in filtration system that keeps the workspace air more comfortable during longer sessions. The Z-axis accuracy of 0.02mm means you can stack ultra-fine layers without losing edge sharpness, even on the most delicate parts. It's blazing fast, incredibly detailed, and those smart features make it feel like a step into the future. On the downside, the fan can be a bit noisy, and the occasional software update might take a few extra minutes. But if you're a jeweler who needs flawless masters for casting, or you just want professional-grade detail at home, this one delivers. A speed demon that doesn't sacrifice precision. Still, there's one printer that blends ultra-fine detail and compact design better than anything else. Let's check out number 1. Topping the list at number 1 is the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K, a compact resin printer that punches way above its weight when it comes to precision. This machine is a favorite among jewelry artists who work on small-scale pieces, but need their prints to show off every microscopic detail. With 8K resolution packed into a 7.1-inch screen and a pixel density of just 22 microns, you get incredibly sharp edges, perfect for things like engraved rings, detailed pendants, and other fine elements. The build volume is 6.5 by 2.8 by 7.1 inches, which makes it ideal for personal projects or short production runs focused on high-quality output. Its linear LED projection system and dual Z-axis rails help keep every layer aligned and crisp, even with delicate shapes. The frosted build plate boosts adhesion and works hand-in-hand with a durable metal resin vat to reduce fails and extend the life of your setup. Despite the detail level, it still maintains a solid print speed, up to 80mm per hour, so you can run multiple prints in a day without sacrificing sharpness. It's compact, steady, and produces results that look like they came out of a high-end studio. On the downside, its small build area means it's not meant for bulk printing, and if you need to scale up volume, you'll need a larger unit. But if you care most about getting clean, gallery-ready detail in every piece, this printer is a clear winner. The best choice if you want sharp, clean, gallery-grade jewelry prints. Let's wrap it up with a few final thoughts. Thanks for watching. At the end of the day, the best 3D printer for jewelry really depends on what matters most to you. Whether it's speed, build size, fine detail, or the ability to handle higher volumes. All 6 options we covered have their own strengths, so be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices, deals, and more details. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns just like this. And let us know in the comments, which printer are you leaning toward? We've got more niche tools and gear for creators coming soon, so stay tuned if that's something you're into.